Okay, Hogside back with you. So we're gonna get the 69 started. We're already done and cleaned up. You guys can see that nice, beautiful penny I got right up in there. One of the bolts was already stripped out. That's why the flex plate was fucked up. So we actually added a bolt and a screw and all that stuff with the penny. If you can see it up there. So we're gonna start this car. You guys are starting with me here. So we're gonna see the aftermath of it and everything. Everything's done. It's all hooked up. All that. Just wanted to wait and make sure I have the camera ready and all that for when it starts. See if I get any fuck up on it. So I already put the battery in. So now we're gonna give it a turn. It probably won't start right away because there's no gas in the carburetor because it's all the way in the back. So let's give it a try here. So we're at 1 minute right now. Let's see what happens, how long it takes, if it makes a sound or whatever. Okay, let's give it a try, guys. A nice 2-pump step here. Let's see if it starts, you guys. Well, you guys, I just see a nice big gas leak right out of my fucking car. Whoa, that carburetor's fucking dripping. Oh shit, take a look at this, you guys. Oh, fuck. I don't know what the fuck happened down there. Oh, now we gotta check something else out here. Let's see what the fuck is going on here. I'll try to set this down, you guys. Fuck. Oh, what the holy shit. God damn it. Oh man, if it ain't one thing, it's the next. Okay, I'm gonna keep you guys with me here. We're gonna look at this shit real quick because I am so surprised that just happened. Where the fuck was that leaking from? Ooh. Good lord, you guys, look at all that freaking gas. Okay, it's time to try this starter out and everything, and let's see how it goes, how nice and beautifully quiet it is and everything. No shims or nothing on this time, like I had on the other one there. I'm going to show you guys real quick. It's nice and beautiful. Let's all try it out. Perfect, like I said. So that's it finally with this 69. Now we can actually drive it around and have a good time and not worry about it actually getting a flat spot or anything. So new starter, new flex plate, everything's good. Just got to put the dust cover back on and get out riding. And one thing we're going to address eventually is this nice beautiful oil pan. If you guys haven't been paying attention to that nice ugly dent on the bottom, I got this car like that. That's why I haven't changed it out. I do have a new pan over there, but we'll get to that, and it's not messing up the oil pump under. So that's the only reason why I haven't changed it out or anything. So I'm not tripping. I have one over there. So that's pretty much it. Hogside Sound to you. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one, you guys.